Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? So, what's going on? Chainlink is starting growing off like a rocket. Channel is started going like a rocket. Therefore, I'm very excited because I'm a holder, my brother. I'm a holder of Chainlink. Yes, this time I buy. I'm trying to buy more if the result is going good. So everybody just focus on video and keep watch this because this is very important for everyone who has new and crypto. Okay, so let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand price production, I request you, my brother, please subscribe abs Tech channel. If you are new on this channel, I hope you subscribe it because this channel is good for you if you are a crypto holder. So guys, if you can see here, first of all I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour. This is the last 1 hour result. Then I'm gonna show you three charts. Okay brothers, because these three charts which I show you in this video is almost very important for every channeling holder. So guys, if you can see here, the result as plus 0.74% goes down. So this time the change is the negative and very big change, very big change, and very bad change. Everybody know this is very bad change. You can see here that totally goes down, they totally goes down, my brother, and they cannot take any jump. So this is very bad news for all holder of channeling. But let's check out the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, when I see this result then I am very happy, I'm very excited. You can see here they totally go off like a rocket. They take a jump, they take a small jump, but again they take a jump. So this is good news for all channel link holders. This is very small, but this is good. If this is for they start in a positive, then this is very good. This is crash. You can see here the latest price also increased. The price is 32.81 US dollar. I hope at the mid of this month they cross it for 40 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross it 40 US dollar? Please tell me in a comment box. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy this video. Let's see the last 7 days result to what's going on in the last 7 days result. This is almost very important for my brother to see it. Oh my goodness, the last 7 days result are also very good, very crash result. You can see the chance is 5.68% plus. Oh, this is very good for channeling holder. Channeling holder, what your opinion, what you are pleased to this is selling time or buying time? Okay, I have one question, please share at comment box. Okay, please. So brothers, I think this is good time to you buy more. If you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time because they take sometimes very high jump. So this is absolutely good for channeling holder. Don't waste your time, just buy it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire, they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching, Allah Hafiz, see you next time.